Hello everyone! For today, I'll be making another tutorial. I know na ang huling tutorial ko is in sa Instagram feed and I will pop it right here. So without further ado, I'll be teaching you guys how to do an outline for your photos only using PicsArt. So keep on watching! Mag-start yung video, I just want to tell you guys that I'm not an artist, so if hindi ko man gaya yung gagawin kong outline, I'm so sorry. So stay tuned and keep on watching. So the app that you will need for this one is PicsArt. PicsArt lang talaga gagamitin natin. And yes, sana hindi malubat agad yung phone ko bago man matapos tong vlog. So yun, i-click niyo yung plus, then you will choose a photo na gusto niyo i-outline. And yes, I'm a fan of pugs. So pugs muna yung i-outline ko kasi mahirap pag tao kasi yung sa facial. And feeling ko mas madali if pug. So yun, ang kailangan nyo puntahan is yung draw, yung katabi ng mask and yung lens flare. So once you click the draw, ayan, dito na tayo gagawa ng mismong outline. So ito yung pencil, yung tabi ng eraser. Pwede mo i-resize yan. And gusto ko mas maliit or medyo laki natin para mas kita sa tutorial. So yun. So I'll just put it right 5. Ayan, then I will change the color. Since ang gagawin kong background niya is pastel, I will try and do a brown. Kasi pahirap na tayo maghanap ng brown. So, harap na lang tayo dito ng gagayahan natin color. Brown. Hanap tayo ng brown. Medyo black na siya, but I want it a little bit brown. So, yun. And then, ito na yung kailangan yung tiyagaan is yung pag-zoom in, zoom out. So, pag nagkamali kayo, pwede nyo i-click yun, yung nasa upper right, or upper left, tabi nung X mark, para pag may erasures. So, by this point, gagawin ko na lang is fast forward ko para mas mabilis yung tutorial. Then, I will teach you on how to change the background. So, yeah. So, after nyo i-outline yung pug, ang gagawin nyo is pupunta kayo here sa may stocks, sa pinaka-last part. And then, ang gagawin nyo is, diba, andito siya sa top. So, ibababa nyo siya. Then, itong sa taas, pwede nyo siyang click tong eye. Or kung gusto nyo opacity, pwede nyo ibaba. So, yan. As you can see, nawawala na yung background. Then, that's it. Then, the next thing you'll do is you're gonna save this to your photos na. So, next thing is, you're gonna click the plus. Then, ngayon, pipili na kayo nung background ng inyong pug. And since nag-practice na ako kanina, I'll be using this one, the pastel one. Then, you're gonna add the photo or the outline that you did. So, kaya brown yung pinili ko para may resemblance siya dun sa background. So, yan. And there. And that's it. So you can see guys, I'll pop the final photo right here. And sobrang dali na lang, kailangan nyo lang ng PicsArt and ng phone. And thank you all so much for watching this tutorial. I hope may natutunan kayo and I hope that this video will be quick as possible kasi yung iba sa inyo hindi ko pa subscribers. But I hope you guys will subscribe me and be a part of my Yellow Heart family. And if may natutunan kayo, please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below on what more tutorials or videos you want me to do for you guys. And always remember to have a soft heart and a brave soul. I love you all. Bye! See you soon!